sa Paris. Yung kakahuyan. Kasi parang town lang to eh. Ang oras dito, 4 o'clock. Sa oras natin, 2 o'clock. Maaraw dito ngayon. Pero malamig yung araw. Sunod, punta na rin kayo dito. Para magkapit bahay tayo. Friends. Sydney, malalaking building, parang Makati. Dito maiksi. Maiksi yung building. Ito yung dinadaanan namin papunta sa trabaho. Parang probinsya. Parang province.
Used both for electricity generation and also they have to be used for coastal protection. How do we do the analysis to see is it going to really prevent situations like that? What would the benefit be? How do we?
Dalawang araw sobrang init. Sobrang ulan, parang bagyo, lakas hangin. Ulan.
It would cost to achieve a certain level of protection.
Pangatlo ngayon may araw na. Parang probinsya yung namin. Kasi lang to, parang town. Yung tinirahan namin town lang.
How much is that going to cost? And then you can make those decisions, and the community should be empowered to make those decisions. They should be informed.
Mas papunta kami sa trabaho ko, dinadaanan namin town.
Fair enough, but as far as the engineering is solid.
Ito barrio.
And can work to protect beaches.
Barrio pala, barrio, hindi town. Barangay. Parang Cavite. Parang Cavite sa atin. Sa Cavite lang, konti lang purong kahoy dito, marami. Parang kagubatan.
Well, keep progressing, Richard. Thanks for joining us this morning.
Thank you very much, Nick. And
well, thank you. That's Richard Manasseh from Swinburne here at ABC Illawarra. I'm getting a lot of bon voyages, and it's very touching of you, and thank you very much. The texts are coming through thick and fast. I mean, I want to acknowledge you for
hindi masyadong pollution dito, kay konti lang nakatira sa Australia.
Let's go ahead. Pete Barb, say good morning, Mr. Music. Really enjoyed our eclectic mix of music and subject.
Malinis bang
Mr.
hangin.
Music number 2 will carry on. Love you, Jay. Mr. Music number 2.
Kesa Pinas.
He's from a different era, but his music
Okay,
is
thank
still
you.
very touching. Enjoy your break, think back to your stories and experiences. Thank you very much.